Welcome to Diamond Education Hub's teaching tips, suitable for parents, teaching assistants, and teachers. This bite-sized video is about noun phrases. Keep watching to see more. What is an expanded noun phrase? Expanded noun phrases add interest to your writing by giving more information and descriptions. Expansion can happen before and after the noun. For example, if we add an expanded noun phrase to the sentence, "The bear roared," the sentence would look like this. The bear, with brown soft fur, roared. Here are some more examples of noun phrases. Amy had bright pink curly hair. Rohan bought some shiny green apples. Tim's extremely loud alarm woke everyone up. You can use this video as a lesson starter or as a revision guide for your students. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.